Hey everybody, I am on the Skyliner flying over to EPCOT today to do a drinking around the world. What I think are the best drinks around the world, and clearly I am just fine when it comes to transportation and being safe at the end. So come with me. This is going to be an around the world adventure the fun way. I got you. Let's go do this. So you might wonder why I started a video about doing the best drinks around the world at EPCOT inside the Skyliner gondola instead of at the park. Well, I just wanted to make sure everybody knows that whenever I'm doing these type of challenges and anything, whenever I'm here, I am always staying on property. So I'm never driving, I'm never doing anything like that. I am using either the Skyliner or the bus, or I'm walking. So safety first, just a little PSA safety message, and yeah, I'm ready to get started though. The gondola has actually been stuck here for a minute or two, so hopefully we get going and we can start this day. I'm excited. This is just going to be my favorites, so here we go. Our first stop in Chase's favorite, the best drinks around the world, is going to start here in Mexico at La Cava del Tequila. Oh yeah. I am going with the Crystal Inferno. That is the new drink in collaboration with Bryan Cranston and Aaron Paul here. It has the Dos Hombres, Mezcal, it has orange liqueur, lemon juice, spiked nectar. Yeah, seems like a good light one for today to start us off. Now, I can't say it's actually on the best. Thank you.
Love you all, my friend.
That's it. Okay, so as I was saying, I can't actually confirm that this one is on the best drinks around the world list until I try it. So I'm kind of cheating a little bit starting right out of the gate. But I've had what I consider the best drink here multiple other times, so I was just I wanted to sit down so I could have more than one, but they wouldn't let me sit down as a party of one, which kind of stinks. So I had to get a drink and go, and so I'm kind of cheating on this first, but the absolute best drink here, I think, is the avocado margarita. This time, I like mezcal. This thing smells pretty potent. It has that chili pepper right there, so it's gonna wake us up to start our best drinks around the world. Cheers. Oh, you get a little burn from the mezcal and the orange liqueur, but it is ice cold and super duper light. There's some heat in there from some chili, and yeah, man, this is a very different drink. Again, this is the one that's a collaboration with Aaron Paul and Bryan Cranston. I was looking for Nate's drink, if you guys follow Paging Mr. Morrow, but I did not see that one in there right now. So it's this one, and last time it was the avocado margarita, which is a classic. Maybe we'll get that before the day is over. But cheers to the best drinks around the world. This one is $19 plus tax. Drink up. The next stop on Chase's best drinks around the world brings us to Norway, and you guys know I love Norway. I mean, I have Viking ancestry, English and Scandinavian, Norwegian. Vikings came down and went into England, so I can trace back to there. I always feel partial to that, and I love Norway. I kind of still wish the old ride was here, but I like Frozen, so I forbear. But it is a great next stop. If I'm drinking, I'm coming here. Now, it's a simple drink, but even though you can now get it in cans at your local liquor store or maybe grocery store, it is not the same. I have had this beer in other ways. It tastes different here in Norway coming out of the draft. I am talking about the Einstock Viking Light Ale. We're gonna go grab one right now and toast to the Asgardians of the galaxy.
I have just been met with some horrific news. They no longer have Aus or Einstock Viking Ale. They have replaced it with a Scandinavian strawberry Pilsner, and I'm not really into fruity beers. A little orange or lemon is about as far as I'm going to go with that. I am crushed. I am crushed. So I don't know. They don't know if it's coming back. They recently changed them all, and I am very, very sad. I'm very sad. I'm going to check the Kringla Bakery to see if they maybe have it. I don't know what's going on. I'm very dejected on our tour around the world here. I'm going to cry. Well, great Odin's Raven and by the hammer of Thor, damn it, they don't have it either. I don't know what's going on here. Now I have to find something else to replace this on my best tour, and I have an idea. It's just going to kind of cheat a little bit because it's not necessarily always here, and it's not always in the World Showcase. Does that count? Does that count? Can I replace Norway with something? Because they've broken my heart. They broke my heart. I have recently gotten it because I get it every time. And if you watch the very end of my videos, the little stinger of me drinking and saying, is me drinking a Einstock Viking Ale. But I am crestfallen right now. I don't know what we're doing. I just talked to someone in Kringla Bakery, awesome cast member, and they were like, yeah, we don't know what's happening, if they're out or what, but there is no Einstock and no Aus. I probably never say that right and insult my ancestors, but they have none of that. They have the strawberry cream ale and a juniper pilsner that he said tastes like gin on the back end. I don't know what's going on. Neither one of those sound very Scandinavian or Viking to me. I mean, I would think of things with honeyed texture or flavor or honey based before I would juniper or strawberry cream. And we already have the Troll Cream there, which is a strawberry based mixed drink. So I don't know. You guys are gonna let me off the hook, and I'm gonna replace this with something that's sometimes it's in the World Showcase, but right now it's up in Future World. You're gonna have to let me slide on this. Modified best drinks around the world. Not my fault. All right, I got a replacement, and it's up here at the Citrus Blossom. This is the left-hand Meyer Lemon Drop Shandy. I'm doing the full size, of course, because this isn't a sissy best drinks around the world video. This is going to replace my favorite all-time beer. Oh, spilling everywhere. This is going to replace my favorite all-time beers over in Norway. I'm still not over it. You guys are going to have to get over it, though, because this is kind of, this area at Citrus Blossom is close to the start of the World Showcase. It's not its own world, but it's kind of Future World in the intro to World Showcase. And it is a worthy swap on our best drinks around the world. Cheers. Skål. It's a good toast to the memory of the legendary Viking Ale. It's light. It's got that little bit of lemon flavor. It's almost like if Blue Moon were lemon instead of orange. Is kind of what it's like. It's crisp, refreshing, not too heavy, and sometimes it is here in different parts of World Showcase. I think you've been able to get it in Germany before. It's Germany or Italy on its own. I might be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure of that. And if not, it should be somewhere, because it shouldn't just be a booth drink. But for right now, it's going to stand in for our drinks in Norway. I'm very sad, but I did show you those drinks in Norway. And now I could have done the Viking coffee, but it's so hot. I don't want anything that's dairy based right now. So I can't, that would have to be, it is definitely one of the best drinks you can get. I just can't drink it right now. It's too hot. This I can. So look for this. If you need to replace one of your favorites while this is still here at the Citrus Blossom, come and get it. There's a Justin drink. Alright, so we're still on our trek drinking around the world here. I got turned around because Norway didn't have my drink, so I went back to the Citrus Blossom and exchanged a drink there. And now, sacrilegiously, to some of you, I have gone the other way. I've gone the other way in World Showcase. I've skipped over Canada because they do not have any of my favorite drinks in Canada. Nothing that I consider the best. But here in the UK at the Rose and Crown pub, they have more than one. So I've done the Black and Tan, which I consider classic and one of the best. But this time, to do something different, I can put either one of these on Chase's best drinks around the world. But this time, it is the Strongbow Cider and the Harps Lager, known as the Snake Bite. And it is warm outside today, and this thing is light and refreshing. Don't let it fool you. The alcohol's still in there. Hey, how about cheers to drinking around the world and enjoying everything EPCOT has to offer. Cheers. It's so good. It goes down so easy. It's not filling. I have the tendency when it gets hot to like drinks, like especially beers, fill me up. So I'm looking for things that don't make me so full and like bloated feeling. I'm big enough as it is. This fits that bill. It's definitely on my best drinks around the world. Stop into the pub here at the Rose and Crown and give it a try. All right, next stop on my best drinks around the world brings us over to America, our homeland. Technically, we're in America this whole time, but you know what I mean. Now, over here, you can get some awesome drinks right next to the Regal Eagle. You can get American beers, you can get all kinds of things. You can get moonshine drinks, and I've had those before. But the classic one here, you know I love lemon drinks, love drinks that are not super sweet. They have a Tennessee lemonade here. And the Tennessee lemonade is made with Jack Daniels, so it doesn't get much more American than that. And it is a nice, cool way to cool you down on a hot summer, or in this case, hot spring day in Florida. This has been a comedy of errors. So I was, you know what happened with my Norway beer? Well, I was going to get an orange slush in France. That was on my list too, because I was doing like 5 or 6 of my best drinks here. Well, the orange slush, they were out of. So it was going to be a while before they get it. I don't have a while. I'm shooting this video and some other stuff out here today. So I have to push forward, and now the Tennessee lemonade is on the list. It was on the list anyway. Light, tart, not too sweet. Goes down easy, but be careful because that is Jack Daniels in there. We have made it to Germany on our quest for the best drinks around the world. Of course, you know me, you know I love this pavilion, and you can't drink without coming to Germany. We are headed into the Weinkeller, my favorite place here to get a drink. I never get tired of coming in here. You know what time it is. It is hot outside. I can't go real heavy beers. It's super hot. I've been shut out of some of my favorite beers, favorite drinks here today. I don't know what's going on, but we have persevered and we've made it into the Weinkeller, and I'm not messing around. I am going for the Schaufeisen. Yeah, I got no shot. Schaufenheisen. It's the grapefruit beer. I'm going for the grapefruit beer in here in the Weinkeller. You can't complete your Drinking Around the World tour without the grapefruit beer. For at least somebody in your party, it's a classic. It's popular. It is delicious. It is great when it's hot outside. Cheers. I mean, I've had a lemon beer, a lemonade drink, and now a grapefruit drink. So like, it's kind of healthy, right? It's got a lot of citrus, but that goes great on a light day. This is light and a little sweet, little tart. I mean, perfect for Drinking Around the World tour. Definitely on my best drinks Drinking Around the World. Stop into the Weinkeller. The setting makes it a little bit better. You got to come in here. It's dark. It's cool. It's got all the German steins around and glassware and everything else. It looks cool. The drink is great. Come in here and get it. Cheers. We are out of the Weinkeller. Grapefruit beer still in hand. I can't think of a better way to end it. You can't top that. And that is going to kind of wrap up our best drinks around the world. Remember, this isn't a straight out Drinking Around the World challenge. Although I've ended up with like 6 drinks today. I really miss my Viking beer. That hurts my heart. But I had a nice lemon shandy filled in nicely. Especially so hot out here. That was nice and refreshing. The key is to not just get any old thing, and be careful how you mix what you drink. Like, don't do a bunch of dark liquor and light liquor and beers in the middle and then throw something in it that's like dairy based. You will not do well, especially when it's 95 degrees and 95% humidity. The key is to get the best drinks, and I hope this has given you an idea of some of what I think are the best. Give them a try. Let me know what you think. You know, everybody has different tastes, but I've done this a few times now, and I'm here all the time, and I'm starting to really narrow it down on what's the best and what I like the best. So let me know what you think. Let me know what else I should try, and let me know if you've tried these, what you think. And until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. It does help me out, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Cheers. Skull.